Ever wondered what sound a kiwi bird makes? Spoiler, it's nothing like any bird you've heard before. The kiwi doesn't tweet or chirp. It screams, a sharp, high-pitched call that echoes through New Zealand's forests at night. That sound is how males and females find each other in the dark. The male's call is long and sharp, while the female's is lower and rougher. So next time you hear that eerie kiwi in the night, don't panic. It's just New Zealand's shy, flightless bird saying hello.